Alright guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create these viral dog and cat videos with the help of AI tools. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you the complete process, a step-by-step guide on creating these amazing viral AI cat and dog videos that are really interesting and that get so many like millions of views. So if I go to this channel, you can see this is the channel on YouTube, White Dog Cats. And if you take a look at the subscribers, so it has gained like 1.89 million subscribers with its just 42 videos, right? And if I go to their about section, so you guys can see this channel was made just about like 2-3 months ago. So you guys can take an idea like how beautifully these videos perform. And if I go to their popular section in their short videos, so you guys can see their famous video has gained over 100 million views, which is literally amazing. So first of all, I need you guys to go ahead and take a look at this video of their popular short. So yeah, you guys get an idea like these videos have a bit of a story behind them. So first of all, there would be like, dog, and then we'll have cats. There would be like kind of a villain story between them. So I'm going to go ahead and create these videos with the help of AI tools. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. All right. So first of all, what would be the step to creating these images? So first of all, we'll be creating prompts. And in our next step, we'll be creating images. And for the third step, we'll be animating those images with the help of image to video generation. And then we'll be compiling, editing everything together, inputting background music, and then some sound effects. Okay. So this would be complete step. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and start by creating prompts. So I'm going to go ahead and open, this video, this short video. And first of all, I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this and come to ChatGPT, and I'm going to simply paste my screenshot right over here. And for the first prompt, I'm going to write over here, can you describe this image as a prompt so that I can create it in any AI image generator? You have to describe the breed of the dogs. One is dad dog and one is the baby dog. They're building a tank that is completely made of apples. So please describe this image clearly as a prompt, right? And after I'm going to input this. So yeah, now you guys can see ChatGPT is going to provide me a complete prompt for this image that I have inputted, like copy pasted in my prompt section. So yeah, now you guys can see I have a prompt. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create the cats and their plane. Okay, so for that, I'm gonna go to the video once again and go to just scroll a bit where I have the cats, and I'm gonna do the same. Just take a screenshot of this. Come to ChatGPT once again and paste my screenshot right over here. And then I'm going to type in kind of my same prompt, like, can you also describe this image as a prompt so that I can create it in any AI image generator? You have to describe the breed of the cats. They are wearing glasses and have a gangster style. One is a dog cat, one is a dad cat and one is a baby cat. They're flying in a plane that is completely made of small bananas soaring in the sky. Please describe this image clearly as a prompt. And then I'm going to go ahead and input this. So now you guys can see ChatGPT is going to provide me, now I have my dog scenes and then my cat scenes and both of their planes, which are completely made of bananas. And now, kind of my prompts are good to go. So the next step is we need to go ahead and provide in the whole story to ChatGPT that what I want my story to be, so that ChatGPT can later on provide me the complete series of prompts. So for that, I have my prompts whole ready with me. I can also provide it down in the description, the complete series of prompts where it will help you to create, those amazing text to image prompts for you guys. Okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and copy my whole story. I'm going to say to ChatGPT, and in the prompts, you guys can clearly have an idea. I have basically described the whole story. Like, I've said the story is about two slides, villains, then we have underdogs. Here, the sequence of the events. The poor dogs are building a tank made entirely of green apples. The rich gangster cats attack from the sky in an airplane made completely of small bananas. The baby dog then sneaks into the cat's luxurious mansion. Back home, the baby dog works in basement garage. The father dog and baby dog sit proudly inside a finished gold airplane. So you guys can see, you can also go ahead and tweak this story as per your liking, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with this story. I'm going to simply copy paste my whole story to Chat GPT. Here is that, and simply just click on input. And then, as you guys can see, now a ChatGPT has whole story with me, and now it's going to go ahead and give me the series of prompts that I can go ahead and generate with any AI image generator. So this is how easy it is, right? So yeah, mind you guys, these prompts will be only used to create images. We still have to, animate those images into videos later. So yeah, once now our all of the prompts are ready, so then comes our next step. We need to go ahead and create images with the help of text to image generation. So for that, we're gonna go ahead and use ChatGPT once again. I'm gonna go ahead and open a new tab, a new chat of ChatGPT, and simply one by one, copy paste all of my prompts right over here. So similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly for all of my prompts that are in there, okay? All right, so once I have inputted all of my prompts, you guys can see here are all of my images. I'm gonna go ahead and show you one by one. So this is my first scene, then second, then I have my, third scene of the cat. Then I have my another scene like the fourth one of the tank destroyed. Then I have this one, both of the dogs are sad. So similarly, these are all the scenes that I described to ChatGPT how I want my story to be. So ChatGPT basically provided me all of my scenes exactly like that I wanted. So yeah, these are some of the amazing scenes. And from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply go ahead and download all of my images one by one into my PC. Okay. All right. So once all of my images are downloaded into my PC here, you guys can see. So now comes our next step. We need to go ahead and animate those images with the help of image to video generation, right? So for that, you can go ahead and use any AI video generator that you like. You can use Runway, you can use Halo AI, but right now I only have the access to use design.ai, which is another very amazing AI video generator. So you're going to go to the homepage of Design AI. You're going to go to this image to video section right over here. So this is going to provide you a very beautiful canvas that you can use to create videos. So first of all, we're going to start with our very first image. I'm going to simply drag and drop my first image over here. And make sure you have selected the model Kling 2.1 standard. And for the prompt, you're going to be very precise, very simple with the prompt. Let's just say for this one, I'm going to say dogs working on their tank happily, right? So you're going to provide these kind of prompts in the prompt section for your image to video generation. And for the imagination, it will be 0.5 and duration would be 5 seconds. So let's just generate this. All right, so for that, design.ai is going to provide me with this animation that you guys can see looks absolutely perfect, like, right? How beautifully it has done the animation, like both of these dogs are working on their tank, they are building it. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do exactly the same for my rest of the images. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop my second one. And for this, you guys can see what kind of action we need in the image. So I'm going to simply say like cats flying their plane in the sky happily, okay? So they're smiling, or you can also write smiling over here, right? And let's generate this. And for that, design.ai provided me with this animation, and yeah, it looks absolutely perfect. How beautifully they are mocking, the dogs, obviously, because they're superior. So this is how you're gonna provide your animation. You're gonna build your characters just like this. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do exactly same for all of my rest of the generations. So let's just say this is my third one. And for that, I'm going to say missile flying in the sky, cats happy. Okay, let's generate this. All right, so for that, it's going to provide me with this one. You guys can see it looks absolutely perfect. How beautifully the cats are flying in the air and the missile is flying with that as well. So yeah, similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do for all of my generations, like take a look at this. This is how beautifully it has animated my image. Then I have this, destroyed, like the banana airplane image as well. Then I have this one. Similarly, I have all of these results just like this. So from here, I can easily go ahead and download all of my scenes from here one by one. All right, so once all of my videos are downloaded, as you guys can see right over here, so from here, what I need to do is I need to go ahead and edit all of these videos together, compile them, make one good short story. So for that, I'm going to use any video editor you like. You can use Filmora, you can use CapCut, you can use Adobe Premiere Pro, you can use anyone you like, but for my convenience in this video, I'm going to use Filmora. I'm going to simply go ahead and import all of my files right over here in my editor. Here I go. And simply need to go ahead and drag and drop all of these videos in the timeline. Here we go. And for my convenience, I'm gonna go ahead and maximize the speed of all of my short videos to 1.5 so that that makes more sense and that looks more engaging. And from here, what I need to do is I need to go ahead and download the background music from YouTube itself. As you guys can see, this was the music that was there in the video. So this music I've already downloaded with me. You guys can see this is the one LATLXS Paso Bam Solto Slow. So you can easily find that on YouTube. You can easily download that very easily. So once it's downloaded, I'm going to simply import it to my timeline as well. Here you go. So from here, this is how my video is going to look like for now. Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana. So yeah, you guys can see now it looks really good, but still we have something left. We need to go ahead and add some sound effects to that as well. Let's just say here we can add some laughing sound effect. Here we can add some destroying sound effects. So for that, you can easily go ahead and do that by searching in Google. Let's just say I search over here like laughing sound effect. And you can easily go to this Pixabay website, which basically offers you one of the best royalty-free, sound effects for your videos. So from here, you can select the best one that you like. And similarly, for this scene, I can easily go ahead and search a destroyed or explosion. I can go ahead and go for explosions. And for that, it's going to provide me all of the sound effects for explosion. You can easily go ahead and download it from here. So yeah, once I've downloaded all of my sound effects, I'm going to simply go ahead and drag and drop them into my timeline where it needs to be. You guys can see. And once everything is done, I'm going to simply go ahead and export my video in 9:16 TikTok format, like YouTube short format ratio. I'm going to export this. And once it's exported, here is how my video is going to look like. So there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create these viral, amazing short videos with the help of AI tools. I guided you the complete step-by-step process. First, you can go ahead and create your prompts with the help of ChatGPT. Then you can create images as well with the help of ChatGPT. Then you have to animate those images with the help of any AI video generator. Then combining them, adding background music and some sound effects, and voila, your video is ready to go. You can start uploading them on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere you like. So yeah, hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.